So, greeting students. Today, one of the very important topic that is seeing about what is tariff, what are the different types of tariffs used. We have to know about what is tariff. So, tariff is nothing but the rate fixed for your electrical power consumption. Okay. So, in India, you'll be rating based upon your unit. Okay. The unit. So we have to know about what is unit. So one unit is nothing but kilowatt hour. Okay, 1 kilowatt which is used for 1 hour is called as one. Okay, so the pricing will be based upon this value. Okay, for 1 unit, what is your recharge? Okay, works. Okay, we moving on. Tariff is the rate at which the electrical energy is various types of tariffs. Okay, so we'll be seeing about different types. Flat rate tariff, block rate tariff, two-part tariff or maximum demand tariff, power factor tariff. After that, it is three-part tariff. So these are the different types of tariff. So based upon these tariff only, your what kind of tariff is used particularly in India after covering these six tariffs. Fixed rate per unit energy consumed. It's called as a simple tariff. So it is the for 1 unit if you are charging around 5 rupees means for 2 unit it will be plus tariff. Even a simple consumer can understand. Okay. So disadvantage there's no differentiation between small and big consumers. So here the small and big consumers refers to household and industrial. So big consumers means industrial consumers. Here, the cost per unit is very high. So it is true because for one single unit, there will be costing around 5 rupees means. In case of, of 2 units means the value gets doubles. Okay, so the cost per next coming to the flat rate tariff, it is a type of tariff which is different for different consumers. That is mainly, as I said, for household consumers, it will be of one particular value. Consumers, it will be of another kind of value. So similarly, each will be having a particular encourage in this type of flat rate tariff when compared to the small users. Okay. Uh, Different energy meters are required. So if you are want to uh, take the reading out means the industrial loads will be having a very special kind of energy meter to be installed for checking the meter reading. Okay, the energy consumed get any return from connection given to the consumer, even if he doesn't consume any energy. Okay. So next is the block rate tariff. The total energy is consumed is divided into blocks. So as the name suggests, so the total power consumed will be separated into blocks. So advantage of this means consumers are encouraged to consume more energy, more energy. So here uh, tariff only, because for a particular amount of block, that is for a particular amount of will be charged for a particular rupees, and after 30 units will be charged for another particular rupees. So each and everything will be based upon the blocks. Okay. So the main disadvantage of this block rate tariff is that it maximum demand of the consumer is not taken into account. So next is the two-part tariff. This is the system in which tariff is related to the consumer's maximum demand. So in the previous case, the maximum demand was not considered, but the tariff is very suitable for industrial consumers who have a very high maximum demand. Okay. The disadvantage is that a maximum demand indicator is to be installed. Okay. For the power factor tariff, so you know about power factor. I have already explained about the power factor. The tariff in which the power factor of the consumer is taken into consideration. So based upon the power factor, there will be charging. The power factor is values going below one itself means there will be also charging penalty for types: KVA maximum demand tariff, sliding scale tariff, average power factor tariff, kilowatt hour tariff, and KVAR tariff. Next is the three-part tariff. The tariff which charges a consumer in three. Third, on the first part, it represents fixed charge, which includes the interest and depreciation. Second part, it will be semi-fixed, okay, which is depends upon the maximum demand. And third part is about your standing charge, the charge. So these are the part with respect to your three parts of the tariff. Thank you.